I've always got to get my steps in before I eat. How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. Bit of a different video, this one. First, forgive me, because I've got to keep looking down because there's a lot of washed up jellyfish and crabs, so I've really got to watch where I'm walking. So, yeah, I'm in Tybee Island. It's about 17 miles away from Savannah, if you're interested. Absolutely beautiful southern place. Really southern, really, really southern. So friendly. The people are so friendly. I've been here before, but it was a long time ago. But you would think the dish I'm going to cook for you, you'd think it's, you know, I'm on the coast, beautiful seafood, beautiful fish, you know, a nice southern tradition recipe meal. But no, I've been craving this dish for, I would say, about 2 weeks. Currywurst. I've got a recipe to show you. It really is tasty. It's quick, easy, but it's so good. It really is good. Served with some nice chips, fries, beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the place where we're staying, and I'm gonna cook it. So let's crack on. This is what I've got to work with, so it'll do. I literally don't know where anything is, so bear with me on this one. So first I need some pots and pans. We'll use this. Use this. Have you seen this chopping board? That has got to be the smallest chopping board I've ever worked with. We'll do it. And a knife. So let's finally dice this onion. There's no oil. I can't find any oil. Where are you? I ain't got any oil. There's gotta be some. I'm looking in the fridge. I found some pan spray. It's gonna have to do. You've just got to make things work. Onions in. Just want to give these a good stir until they're soft. Right now, my onions are soft, and I've got a mixture of paprika and curry powder. So we need to get that in. Right now, this is where you want to cook the curry powder out and the paprika for a good 10 minutes, just to get all that flavoring, just to wake them up. A lot of cooks tend to cook powders for 2 minutes and that's it. No. Cook them longer. Don't be afraid. Gotta get that flavor out. Next, ketchup. Get that in. Oh man, it is smelling amazing though. Next, some balsamic vinegar. I'm using white, which is fine. Use whatever. Get that in. Some Worcester sauce, just for some tang. And last, just a little bit of water. Right now, stir well. Bring up to a light boil, not a vigorous boil because it'll splash everywhere. Just a nice low boil, and then give it a good stir. And you want it nice and thick, not loose, nice and thick. That's how you want it. Just, you know, beautiful. It smells amazing though. Really, that would be fantastic on them brats, but that's where you want it. So now I'm just using normal bratwurst. You can get these anywhere at any supermarket, and I'm gonna boil them. I've got a pan of boiling water on, and this, I'm gonna boil them for like 5 minutes, and this will just wake them up. Just, you know, wake up. So I'm gonna boil these for 5 minutes. I've got no tongs, so I have to use a slice, but yeah, look, it just makes them come alive, beautiful. So we're gonna fry these. We're gonna gently fry them, pan spray in. So I've taken these out of the pan and just pat dried them with some paper towel. And I'm gonna gently just fry these. These look great, they're smelling great, and I'm just gonna cut them on the bias. Juicy. I will survive with this small chopping board. And this sauce goes a long way, so use it sparingly. Yes. And at the end, with the curry powder on top. Nice. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful, beautiful sausage. And that sauce goes a long way. Just be nice. Serve it with some nice crispy fries. It's quick, it's simple, And that is what I was craving today. And now I'm going to enjoy the rest of my vacation holiday with my currywurst. And I'll see you soon, guys. Thanks, guys.